Hi, I'm Vicki, and welcome back to my kitchen. I'm so glad to have you with me today. I'm having a tough day today. Unfortunately, we buried my uncle, who was a hilarious, wonderful uncle. And on top of that, today is also my beloved Mark's, would have been his 65th birthday. Those of you who know me know we lost Mark 27 years ago. So today's kind of a tough day anyway, but I find myself in a little bit of a depressed zone. So I learned a long time ago, I had one grandfather that said no matter how tough things are getting, to smile and choose to be happy, and you will be. Find things that bring you joy. And actually, cooking brings me joy. So I thought I'd bring you along with me on a little cooking therapy. And I have nothing planned for today, so we're going to do leftovers and see what we can do that's creative with what I have in the refrigerator. And I'm just going to pull it all out and we're going to look at it and decide what to make. Okay, let's see what we have in the refrigerator. All right, start off. I have some leftover hamburger. I have a piece of a block of mozzarella cheese. I have some cream cheese. Let's see what else we've got. I have some riced cauliflower. Goodness, what are we gonna make? I have some microgreens. I have some green onions. Let's see what else. I have some bacon and some olives and some Parmesan cheese. And I have some mayonnaise, some homemade mayonnaise that I made up yesterday. And, let's see. Okay, with looking at this in front of me, I could make a meatloaf, or let's see, I've got some salsa in the refrigerator, so I could make, and I have some canned tomatoes, so I could make a spaghetti sauce. Don't have any peppers though. Let's see, riced cauliflower. What can I use that for? Okay. Well, I want something a little bit different today. You know, leftovers don't have to be boring. What you have in the refrigerator doesn't have to be boring. I want to have some eggs too. I knew I saw the eggs. I have eggs. Let's see what kind of mixes we have. I have the Pampered Chef's chili mix, and I have the Pampered Chef's Tuscan style herb chicken mix. You know, I have some frozen chicken. I could stick it in the quick cooker and have it ready pretty quick, but I kind of want something a little bit different. Now this is my process. You know, it's not something everybody does. I'm sitting here looking at everything. How about, oh, and I've got some garlic. Some nice fresh garlic. Okay. This is the deep dish pie stone or pie plate. And It's glazed on the outside and it's natural stone on the inside. Let's see, what kind of pie can we make? Okay, I don't want to make a chicken pot pie. Did I see chili? I have chili seasoning. Okay, what about if we make a deep dish chili pizza pie? I think that sounds amazing. And we'll use the garlic and the hamburger. We'll use a little bit of the eggs. We'll use the cream cheese. We're not going to use the bacon today. I can put some microgreens in there to make it really healthy. And you know what? I could use our original Enrichables super veggie in it. And I could even put the riced cauliflower in it. Okay, so I'm gonna whip this up and then I'm gonna come back and show you what it ended up being. And you know what? I have a sweet potato. Maybe we'll do some sweet potato fries. Not sure. All right, wait and see what we end up with. Welcome back. And the sweet potato fries are about to be ready. And there they go. Let's take them out and see what they look like. Now remember, I'm just cooking for me, not for anyone else. So I did a small sweet potato. Remember, the basket's really hot. I like my sweet potatoes a little bit crunchy. And because I used some oil on them, I can now put a little bit of cinnamon sugar. I like a little cinnamon sugar. I like the sweet and savory. Now, I cook keto low carb, so this is a blend of our Korenji cinnamon and monk fruit and swerve granulated sugar. So let's put a little bit more. They're perfect. Our deep dish chili pizza pie is ready. Take this off. Now, I made up a dough, a quick dough myself, but you can use dough, you can use a pre-made pie shell that you've got in the freezer, anything really quick. This is really warm. Okay, now, the test. Now I should let it sit for a minute, so let me tell you what I did. I browned the hamburger and took the grease off of it. And then I put a chili mix right on the hamburger meat. And I put garlic in it, and I put some onions in it, and I put a half block of cream cheese and 1 egg because I want it to hold together. And I also used the microgreens. I put the mozzarella cheese on the top, and then over the top of that I put a little bit of Parmesan cheese because I wanted it a little crusty. And then if you notice, it is It has some speckles on the top. I decided to use our everything bagel seasoning. I'm in love with this stuff. Pre-baked the crust a little bit and then put the foil around it so it wouldn't get too done, and then put all the ingredients in and layered it. Okay, so we're going to cut this and see how it comes out. Now, this is the first piece, so it may mess up. If any of my guinea pig group are watching, guess what we're having for lunch tomorrow? Come out, Hughes. Oh, perfect. Look at that. Crust is nice and brown, but not burned. We're going to put some of our sweet potato fries on the plate. And there is an amazing dinner out of just what's in the refrigerator. And I am feeling better. After cooking and rocking out to Stevie Nicks and a little air supply, a little bread, and singing along with it. And if you noticed, I'm out of my jacket, got the boots off, and feeling a whole lot better. So thank you for being with me and joining me for my cooking therapy. Well, the sweet potato fries turned out perfect, and they're a great side dish for supper tonight. So good. If you like this video, be sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page. Have a wonderful day. Give someone your beautiful smile. It'll make you feel better. It'll make them feel great. And have a wonderful day. Come back to see me soon. Bye.